Are you gonna come?
Bridgie.
Mom.
Come on.
Mommy.
Not tonight, maybe next weekend. Oh, good girl.
I'm gonna see him.
Good girl.
Did you get it?
Yeah, do it again.
Good job. One more time.
Let's do it again. Okay. Oh.
Here, Bridgie.
Another shot. Another try.
Good.
You got it.
Come here, Bridgie.
Come on, girlfriend. Oh, yay! Is that good, Owen?
Yeah.
What's she doing?
Good job.
What's she doing?
Just again.
You wanna
Was
do
she
it again?
walking?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Bridget.
Bridgie.
Yeah. Let's go.
Come on. Ah.